What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. I got myself a new project. It's a 2019 Lamborghini Performante Spider. Customer just bought the car and shipped it straight to us. We're gonna be installing a bunch of goodies on it. In a minute, we'll go around and I'll show you guys exactly what we're gonna do. And I wanna say a big thank you to you guys for watching this video. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification because we post new videos every week, new video. So go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Now for this talk, and let's get to work. We're gonna be installing VORSTEINER body kit. That's gonna be a front bumper spoiler with the forged carbon. We're gonna be installing a new hood with the forged carbon, new fenders, and new rocker moldings with the forged carbon. So it's gonna look super aggressive. It's gonna match the wing and the rear bumpers. Man, this is gonna be one of a kind, especially with the yellow. Man, the forged carbon gonna be popping like crazy. So super excited about this build. Let's pull the car inside, start taking everything apart, and we'll go from there. We got the Lamborghini in the shop, so we could start working on it. This is gonna be one of those Lego puzzles. I love those kind of jobs. Pretty much take everything apart, test fit the new parts, put everything back together. But what do you guys think about this color? I love it. Comment below which color would you pick if you would buy a Lamborghini. And also, customer just purchased this car straight from the dealer. From Georgia, and it got shipped directly to us. And here's how much this car cost. It's a 2019 Performante Spider and 919 miles, 329,000 for this beauty. But pretty much brand new car. So we'll give her a special attention to this thing. We're gonna make it look better than factory with that body kit. But I love this spec, love the wheels, I love everything about this car. And then to remove the front bumper and the rockers and the fenders and all that good stuff, first you gotta start with the fender liners. Well, let me just go around and show you exactly what's going on. To get to the bumper bolts, you gotta remove the fender liner, and then you could remove the front bumper. In order to remove the fender, you gotta remove the rocker molding because there's two screws holding the fender. And then the rocker, same thing, you gotta remove this cover. There's a couple screws here. You gotta remove this cover. There's a screw there. And then there's a couple screws right here and one in the middle. So we gotta have to get it through here. And then let's go around the front. And then to remove the bumper, we gotta remove the whole front department. Then there's a bunch of screws at the bottom, and same on this side. So lots of screws, so should be fun. Let's go. I just took apart the trunk department, and let me show you where the heading screws are. To remove the front bumper, we got 6 heading screws right under the plastic, and same with the fenders, we got screws hiding on both sides. And then also I like to keep my screws separate. I removed the trunk, so I keep the trunk screws separate. Next I'm gonna remove the fender liners, and I'm gonna do the same thing, tag my bolts. Once you're gonna start putting everything back together, so you don't have 1,000 bolts in one bag, everything is separated, and it's a lot easier to put everything back together, and you're not gonna have any extra screws left over. So I removed the bumper, I tag bumper, remove the fender, I tag fender. You guys get the point. So yeah, something like this makes the job a lot easier. So let's continue removing the fender liners and the front bumper, and we'll go from there. Remove both of the fender liners, so now I could remove the bumper, and there's 3 bolts holding the bumper on the side. Let me show it to you guys. We got 3 bolts holding the bumper on the side. 1, 2, and 3 over there, if you guys could see it. And then bunch of screws at the bottom. And same with this side. So something like this, slowly coming apart, as you could see. But it's like a Lego puzzle, like I said before. Like, I really enjoy working on the Lambos, doing this kind of customization. So keep them coming, keep them coming. I'll work on them all day, every day. So let's continue removing the bumper, and we'll go from there. Just removed the front bumper, came off fairly easy, just got a bunch of screws that you gotta remove. So we're done with the front end. So next I gotta remove the fenders, and like I said before, to get to the fenders you gotta remove the rockers. So that's what we're gonna do next. Yeah, there's screws here, and 2 screws at the bottom, and it's right where the rocker molding is. So we're gonna remove the rocker molding, and then we'll remove the fenders. And to remove the rocker molding, there's a bunch of bolts at the bottom, like I said, where the door jamb is, and 1 in the corner. But I'll show it to you guys exactly where they at. So let's start removing the rocker panels, and we'll go from there. just removed both of the side skirts, and let me show you why I had to remove them. So in order to remove the fenders, like I said, you got to remove the side skirts, and this is why. There's two bolts holding the fender. We got one screw right here holding the fender, one over here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So before I remove the fender, I'm gonna put tape right here on this black pillar so I don't scratch anything, and I'm gonna put some tape right here as well, just so nothing gets scratched. And we could remove both fenders, the left and the right side. And then after that, we'll start test fitting the VORSTEINER's fenders. Just stripped the whole front end, and this is what the Lamborghini looks like. It looks amazing, huh? So now we're ready to start test fitting the new VORSTEINER fenders, hood, pretty much get this car ready for paint. And let's check out the goodies that we got. Here's the VORSTEINER fenders that we got with the forged carbon vents, the left side and the right side. It looks super awesome. Then for the final, we got the VORSTEINER forged carbon hood. Wow, it looks amazing. Completely exposed. And then we got the side skirts as well. Side skirts are in the office, wrapped. I'm not gonna show them just yet. I don't want to unpackage them. I'll do that later, so you guys get to see them a little bit later. So yeah, we could start test fitting everything and getting this car ready for paint. For now, we'll end the video here. I don't want to make this video too long. We got a lot of things to cover, installing the fenders, test fitting, all that good stuff. So we'll save that for part 2. So for now, what do you guys say? Let's go into the office and find out who's the lucky winner for the LNC t-shirt giveaway. Let's go, let's do it. The moment we all been waiting for, to find out who's the lucky winner for the LNC giveaway t-shirt. I do apologize, it took me longer than expected to pick the winner, but I'm gonna make it up to you guys. And I'm gonna pick 2 lucky winners for the LNC t-shirt. So let's jump in and find out who's the lucky winner. And once again, we'll be using comment picker. And let's see, we'll copy paste, bam, boom. And let's see how many comments we got. We got 100 comments, 200 comments, 300 comments, 328 comments. Thank you guys so much for participating, and let's find out who's the lucky winner. Going once, going twice, and the lucky winner is Igor. Congratulations, my friend, you're the lucky winner. And let's pick another lucky winner. Going once, going twice, and the lucky winner is boom! Orlando! Congratulations, my friend. You guys, the lucky winners for the LNC t-shirts. So please send me an email with your info, and I'll mail out your t-shirts as soon as possible. So thank you guys for participating, and don't worry if you didn't win this time. I'll promise you win next time. And guess what? We're doing another giveaway. We're gonna be giving away another t-shirt and LNC hat, and super easy to enter the giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and drop a comment, and in part 3 I'll pick a lucky winner who gets to win LNC hat and LNC t-shirt. So super easy to enter the giveaway. Good luck to every single one of you guys. Thank you once again for watching this video. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in part 2. До свидания!